Okay folks, this is the knee extension exercise. You can use this, you can add on and purchase a stability disc. This is called a stability disc or a wobble cushion. You can get on Amazon. So don't worry about that right now, but if you want to, it's just something that you can add to a lot of different exercises to help improve what's called proprioception, or your body's awareness of the joints, or your brain's awareness of the joints. So we'll just put it down for the side. What we're going to do is you can have a chair back or not have a chair back. The nice thing about having a chair back is it prevents you from bowing out your lower back. That's what we don't want. Okay? So when we're in this position, the number one thing is you want to make sure your pelvis is perpendicular to the floor. So it's going up like this in relationship to the floor. And you want to contract your stomach to where you're making your abdomen tight, not to where you're bowing out, but to where you're straight up and down and your shoulders are over your hips. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to basically extend one leg out like this to where you're straightening that knee as best as you can. And you should feel a nice stretch in the hamstring and lengthening of the hamstring, which is one of the purpose of this exercise. It's also going to provide strength to the abdomen. It's going to also allow more control over the muscles that attach to the kneecaps and the calf as well. And so what you're going to do is, while you're doing that, you want to make sure your knee doesn't roll inwards or roll outwards. You just want to keep it straight. And the first thing is you're going to have your hands on your pelvis just to monitor their movement, and you're going to bring your toe towards your knee. You feel a pretty solid stretch on that hamstring. It shouldn't be painful, so only go as much to where you can feel a stretch. And then you're going to point your toe down towards the floor. And back up. And towards the floor. And then you just alternate towards the other side. Again, make sure this doesn't bow backwards. Keep that straight. Straighten the knee. Toe up slightly. And down. Up. And down. And to add on to that as well, you can grab some type of a towel and you want to wrap it up. And same starting position, but once you get your leg out like that, put that just around your big toe. And if you just keep your back straight and then just gently pull. Do not do it hard. Gently. And that'll add a little bit more stretch to your hamstring and the calf muscles as well. You can hold that for about 10 seconds at a time. And the key thing is when you let your foot back down, you want to make sure your knee doesn't rotate in like that. You want to keep it controlled and slowly let it down, just like that. So it looks just like that, and down. So you can do, about 10 repetitions of that, just once, maybe twice in the morning, and if you want to do it at night too before you go to bed. Some of these you can make these as either morning or nightly routines, and do it about 3 times throughout, or 3 days throughout the week at least, and you'll be able to develop to where it's such a habit that it's not something that you have to think about as much. It's just something that's going to be great to help supporting your overall structure of your body, because all those muscles attach to the spine either directly or indirectly, and if we can create stability, you're going to have much more stability and honestly just a healthier body in the long run too.